Quick question: why does this always happen? You grind for exams, late nights, coffee, stress, you pass, and then, poof, your brain deletes everything like it never mattered. I used to think, maybe I'm just bad at remembering. Nope, that idea is trash. Your brain is doing exactly what you trained it to do. So if this has ever happened to you, lock in. This will change how you study forever. Part 1: Your brain was never built for exams. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Your brain doesn't care about marks, or syllabuses, or exams. It cares about survival and usefulness. Your brain keeps asking one question: will I need this again? If the answer feels like probably not, your brain goes, temporary file, delete after use. And exams literally train your brain to think, remember this till Tuesday, then we're done. So forgetting isn't failure, it's design. Pause for a second, because it gets worse. Lock in. Part 2: Cramming creates fake memories. Let's talk about cramming. The night before grind, you reread notes, highlight everything, watch lectures at 2x speed, and you feel productive. You're not. You're building recognition, not memory. Your brain says, oh yeah, I've seen this before. That feels like understanding. It's not. That's why after the exam, everything disappears. Because your brain never used it. It just recognized patterns. Like spam email. Mini pause. There's a specific brain system causing this, and you abuse it daily. Lock in. Part 3: Short-term versus long-term memory. Your brain has two modes: short-term memory, long-term memory. Short-term is fast, cheap, fragile. Long-term is slow, expensive, permanent. Cramming shoves everything into short-term. Your brain only upgrades information when it sees repetition over time, emotional meaning, active use. Exams usually have none of these. So your brain says, mission complete, delete. That empty feeling after exams? That's not tiredness, that's storage cleared. Lock in. This part matters. Part 4: School trains you to forget. This is harsh, but true. School doesn't train memory. It trains performance, deadlines, pressure, marks. You study to finish, not to understand. You ask, what's coming in the exam? Not, how does this connect? So your brain learns a habit. Learn fast, forget faster. That habit follows you into life, college, skills, even real-world learning. That's not age, that's conditioning. But here's the good news. You can break it. Lock in. Part 5: How to stop forgetting, step by step. If you want information to stay, your brain needs a reason. Here's how. Step 1: Study for recall, not review. Stop rereading. Close the book. Ask questions. Explain the topic out loud like you're teaching a dumb friend. If you struggle, good. That struggle is memory forming. Easy study equals weak memory. Lock in. Step 2: Use the 24-hour rule. Within 24 hours, revisit the topic for 5 to 10 minutes. No full revision, just recall. This tells your brain, oh, we're keeping this. 5 minutes beats 3 extra hours of cramming, every time. Step 3: Force real-life meaning. Your brain loves meaning. Ask, where does this show up in real life? Why does this matter? Even fake connections help. No meaning equals no memory. Step 4: Stop binge studying. Long sessions look impressive. They're inefficient. Short, spaced sessions win. Your brain needs gaps to lock information in. No gap equals no storage. Pause. Yeah, I said it. Lock in. Part 6: Why you feel dumb after exams. After exams, people say, my brain is broken. No, your brain is exhausted. Stress kills memory. Sleep loss blocks consolidation. Burnout creates fog. You weren't weak, you were in survival mode. And survival brains don't store textbooks. Lock in. So remember this: forgetting after exams is normal. Cramming trains deletion. Memory needs time, effort, and meaning. If you want knowledge that actually stays, stop studying for exams only. Study for future you. Tonight, try this. Pick one topic, close the book, explain it out loud for 5 minutes. No notes, no cheating. It'll feel uncomfortable. That's how you know it's working. And if this helped you even a little, like the video so more students see it. Subscribe if you want content that actually upgrades your brain, not just your marks. We're not here to suffer through studying. We're here to lock in and outsmart it. See you in the next one.